So what's up guys and welcome back. We're going to do this, we're going to Rilgard in the Ratchet and Clank part game, and this is the part 5, so let's go. Continue. Aridia. I finished all of them. Skid McMahon's awesome guy. I know. He gave me a hoverboard skateboard, autobiograph. I showed you last time because I already restarted the game, so it starts from here.
What's our destination?
Not Nebula
G34.
Rilgard.
Must investigate.
No, I want.
Operation Falling Star?
I'll finish every X. What do I say? Points. Every
Ready to commence
steps.
Operation Falling
Fine.
Star?
Rilgard. I'm going to Rilgard. Travel to the hoverboard event. You have to.
the test.
Ratchet, be quiet. We are going to do the travel to the hoverboard event. Search the heroes. Yes, we are going to do the race. Blackwater City race. Oh my God, Rilgard looks like this, but it's so lots of good looking tech. Yeah, no. Yeah. Wow. I love this spaceship. This is like a Galactic Ranger spaceship. I don't know. Ratchet is a fan of them, so this, oh yeah, is like it. Oh my God, new weapons. Oh, this weapon creates an instant dance party. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Making enemies vulnerable to attack. I'll get it later. Oh, that seems to be nice now. I'll make the enemies, dance when I throw that. Oh, what is that fart? Amoeboids. Oh, these guys are so good. These guys have perfect accuracy. See what I mean? You can only get a shot once. See. No, my God. I'm dead over here, I think. Man, I love this game. No. Oh, that what do I say? The disgusting things are also there. I'll just put this over here. Just stay over here, relax. Oh, everyone is destroyed. See what happens when two people are fighting? Don't go and stop them. What are they going to do? They'll destroy themselves and just throw a Greetongue for more extra support. First what I'm going to do? I'm going to put that thing on bomb. Oh, thought it would work. I need perfect accuracy. Don't do it. See, more people are coming. See, if you want to fight them like that, you can do it. 17, 16. Oh my God. I wish I could. Now go. Oh, Reditarium! Points. Oh my God. Oh, 18. No, I'm unstoppable. Ah! Hey, the big guys are over here. I think I have to release them. You know, I'm going at full power. Don't jump, just stay. Hey, Zircon, I'm gonna try this guy. Oh my god. See? See? Oh my god, he's assisting me, I knew it. Go on them, defeat them, kill them. I should have used him a long time ago. Oh yeah. See, it's very hard to get them, you know, like that. You know, to jump and escape. I'll just stay over here, relax, and put the proton drum. Woo. See, that's what happens when you fight with each other. You don't look who's the enemy properly. Stupid people. Oh, 7,005. I'm going to get that surely. Hey. Yep. Oh. Touch over here. Then I think over there.
In lieu of a security team, we've released a whole mess of external bots into the city. We've also dispatched a few automated tanks just to speed things along. The onboard AI doesn't let them distinguish between trespassers and locals, so it's probably best to stay.
Shit, tank me, man. You don't even do it. Oh my god, 50/50 level max health. Oh my god. I don't like these things. It's very hard to get them fast.
Talk about heavy artillery.
Oh my god, heavy artillery.
Got enough bolts for the Growatron. Come see me.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
I think this will pyrocide.
Doubt that's the last of them.
Okay. Okay, so we defeated the tank, the guys, and now let's go get him. Okay, so what's this? Hey, I want to explore. You're so not gonna be dead. You're so going to be dead. Yes, you're so going to be dead. Yeah, when I get angry, I play fast, and you know what happens? Like, I can beat them easily, I can escape fast. But that happens only once in a while, that's the problem. Yep. Over here. Yep. Now, Relatarium. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can buy it? No. Hey, I can buy it! I can buy it!
Zircon would like you to cash only, no layaway. Fine with your Groovatron.
They both are, you know, fighting against each other. Hey, that's so... Oh, it's just like that. Okay, I think we explored most of the parts over here. Now let's go get him. I'm sorry. Okay, now oh my god, what's this place? Oh, it's full of these guys. What you go escalate, let's go down. Oh yeah. Oh my god, these guys are killing me. Groovatron. Oh yeah, dance, 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 dance. Oh yeah, that's good.
More of them.
Dance, dance, yeah, babe. It's a war zone out here. Why do you always say we are all clear? You know, I'm just going to take all of them. And over here, here. Yo. I think this is the way I came. Oh. Wait. No, I'm not. You see, I'm just going to explore that place. See, because I have a doubt from where did I come. What is this? See guys, I just had a doubt, but see, it unlocked something. Oh, I'm going back only. I'm coming. Hey, like Clank over there. He looks like a baby. Howerboard defect 4333. Oh. I have nothing. Oh. Oh, so we have to just press over here. Stupid guy. Should not mess with me.
All external bots report to containment center. All external bots to the containment center. Exterminate.
Oh man. Ugh. Ugh. I'm gonna kill that guy. Ugh. Ah.
Report to containment center. Robots to the containment center.
Let them both fight. That's what happens when you mess with me. Ah! Huh. That's a relief. These guys don't quit. Only fire is so bad against them.
Gates unlawfully deactivated.
Oh, great. More of them.
Just at this moment, our hero found out he was completely hosed.
Oh my god, this guy didn't die? I think it's a new fella. With all my performances, this one was the best. Truly, they are the joy of my heart.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Booyah! Every time what they do, higher.
Looks like we got all of them. Hopefully now they put the race back on.
Okay, now we are going to race. Hey, but most of the parts have not even explored. I need to explore everything. That guy went by the force of mine. I'm not in the mood to do. Oh, gold boat. But how do I get over there? Maybe I can't get over there by anything. See, I freed. So maybe I think I should climb over here. See, guys. See? Oh. Oh boy. Insomniac Games provide, see, brain, lots of puzzles, which is a little hard. I love that. Wow. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, fine now. So, what's now? You know, the game.
Good news. It looks like the city is now
Amoeboid free.
And we have 2 citizens to thank.
Ratchet and
The
Clank.
race is back on, so stay tuned for updates.
I'm dying. Okay, let's go over there.
Hey, I'm Starlene. Are you here for the race?
You know it.
Enthusiasm. I like it. All right, head inside. The first race starts in a few minutes.
Okay, bronze challenge. Challenger.
Get ready, racers.
On your mark, get set, go! Oh.
We're told this Lombax comes to us from Veldon's
Oh,
Chisel
yeah,
Plateau.
okay, fine.
This is his first time on Rilgar, so let's give him a warm welcome.
Oh my god. Just boost.
Track's boost badge offered a tactical advantage to any racer who passed through. Activating just one will put the hoverboard's propulsion system on overdrive. Using boost meter filled, Ratchet activated the hoverboard's nitrous system.
And Ratchet shows us a boost of speed. Underdog Ratchet is now in second place.
Second place.
Catch up in time. Fans will be happy to hear that we just received word from Skid McMarx's reps. The pro hoverboarder suffered a minor injury while breaking ground at one of his sports shafts.
Oh,
but is
goal board.
expected to make a full
The Lombax's lack of hoverboard experience sent him careening off the track. Thankfully, the track's teleport system would bring him back to the action.
Underdog Ratchet is now in second place.
Ah,
Up in time. And
Underdog.
Ratchet takes the lead.
Underdog? His name is Underdog?
Ratchet's off course.
Oh, come on,
The
man.
lead.
Hey, what is that? I'm not gonna lose the lead.
Underdog Ratchet is now in second place. Ratchet takes the lead.
Don't pin me down. First, baby. Oh yeah, first.
Nice
First.
work. You're the first Lombax to ever win a race.
He's the only Lombax, I think.
Come back anytime. They're always giving away cool prizes here. Perks to being sponsored by Gadgetron.
Okay. Win
We can
the
race for
silver.
the silver cup. Of course, we probably have better things to do.
Okay, silver cup. Silver cup.
Get ready,
Three.
racers. On your mark.
Get set.
Go! Fan favorites Ratchet and Clank are back. Can they repeat the same magic we saw during our last
Oh
competition?
yeah.
Let's find out.
Woo! Oh, these bombs are there. Woo!
Ouch.
Nice move.
Hey, you've got a lot of raritanium. Well, come see me for an upgrade.
I'm not going to do the upgrades. I'm going to see.
Viewers are not permitted on the course. Yes, we see you. And please put your shirt back on. Ratchet
Woo! My God.
Lost the lead. And Ratchet hits the boost pad.
Shut up and move if you like.
Ratchet takes the lead.
I'm not going to lose the lead this time, bro, baby. Woo. Woo.
Whoa, Ratchet charges that.
Won it! Oh yeah, losers, losers.
Awesome. Enjoy
Enjoy your prize, you
earned it.
earned it. Okay,
Yes.
one
we
second.
qualified for the gold cup.
So, guys, let's do the Gold Cup also. Gold Cup, baby. 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off. Just a little background on some of our racers today. Griff Blastax is riding a modified Orion S12. Newcomer Victor Equinox is riding a Vortex 2000. And Chester St. Cloud is riding a
Romulus
Turbo 4.
Woo, baby! Ooh, yeah! Oh, I hate those bombs.
Whoa, that's gonna set it back.
Wait, I'm waiting for the perfect moment. Just. Hey, that's because of the game.
Race is brought to you in part by Megacorp, makers of this year's most anticipated toy, the Proto Pet. Pre-order yours today.
Ah! I'm going to win this fair and square.
Ratchet's
No.
losing precious time.
Have sense, Mason, have sense. We have to do like that. Like that.
Kid's got skill.
Hey, move!
He's got to do a better job avoiding those bomb boxes.
Hey!
Underdog Ratchet is now in second place. Can he catch up in time?
Amateur.
Whoa, Ratchet charges ahead. Ratchet takes the lead.
Won it! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah!
Wowzers, you're like amazing. You should think about going pro.
Bro, oh yeah. Or, what's that? I don't recognize that card. Okay. So we finished all the 3 races and I became first. You can try that also. Now I need to go back to the ship. No, not to the ship. I have to search the. I know. Hey, who's that?
Like you, come see me and let's talk business.
This is.
You ain't saying where I am, but the sewers under this here city, yeah, they're pretty interesting, don't you think?
Yeah.
You hoard all those bolts, Eliza. It's a good
Oh,
investment.
Pixelizer, but I don't feel like buying it. Cruiton I liked it, so I bought it. I'll buy Pixelizer at the end of the game or something. If there's no other better weapon. Okay.
What's down here?
Okay. There's no shark. Oh, just break it. Okay. Go over there and kaboom. Stupid fish. Hey, let's see if I can break. Nope. Well, we can't break them. Hey, I have a good idea. See, we put the water and the water filled it up. No. So now I've filled it up all in that, what do we say, water hydro. No. Now if I release them, they'll come back, and I've taken care of the sharks and broken down the chains. Nice. Good thinking. Nice. Yeah. Now, oh, these guys are over here. These guys never quit, I think. Booyah! Okay. Nice. Man. Whoa! Oh, this looks like that plumber when we got to that plumber.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh my god, sewer pumps? Oh,
I
but
believe we should run now.
oh no, I'm dying. Shut up and get out of my way. Let me live at least. No, you guys, not important.
The water is rising.
Oh dear. Oh yeah. Ratchet Clank. I'll just go through there.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
Ratchet, we must keep moving. I'm trying, pal.
Oh.
That was close.
Woo! Hey. Oh my god. Whew. Man, that was tense. Okay, now just whew. Well, escape
This
the
place looks like
seals.
bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Hey, what? Hey, I think that's the guy, but I'm not gonna meet him. I'll see what all he has in his ship. I'm not a robber, but I'll just, search what he has in his ship.
Hey, pal. You got any of them Ryno holo cards?
What's a Ryno?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief.
Chief.
Stands for Rip You a New One.
Oh,
See,
Ryno.
the Gadgetron guys,
See,
they knew the plans
would be too dangerous to leave in one.
location.
Oh,
So they
wow.
split them up and printed them on a bunch of holo cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these holo cards, and thus the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the holo cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend.
Oh my
Here,
god.
take this trespasser. It may help
Oh yeah,
facilitate
trespasser.
the acquisition of said merchandise.
Oh. Ryno. I think it may be the strongest weapon of all. I'm going to get that.
Rotate selected
Oh.
control ring to point laser. Detected port power remaining port with remaining laser.
Hey, you got one. And keep looking for more. Travel to other planets and stuff. Holo cards are everywhere.
Hey. So that card wasn't a mysterious object. It was just skip.
Outstanding! You just completed a card set.
Hey, I'm not good. It wasn't a coincidence. See, I have two. Oh man, how many of them are there? Oh my god, lots. Hey, wait. 3, 6, 9 Ryno cards. I think when we finish a race like that, we'll get only one time when we finish the 3 races, and when we become first. So guys, that's all for Ratchet and Clank part 3, no, part 5. See you in part 6. Ta-da-da-da-da-da.